again, everyone. I want to show you some of the moves that we use to depict nature. And there are so many beautiful things you can use from nature. The first one I'd like to show you would be the moon. When we do the moon, we put our hands in front, gently lift both hands, and bring up in a circle. So make that look relaxed, up and gently move. And usually you couple this movement either with a hula step, but I think it looks best when you do it with a kao. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you want to show the house or hale. You can do a hula step with that. In Hawaii, you see a lot of cliffs, and we call them pali. 1 and 2, another 2 to the left. And then with the pali, you have the mountain. So you just turn your fingers up and show the tip of the mountain and the slope. Now there's rain. While lele, wriggle your fingers, going up. That's rain. Then we want to show the deep blue sea or the surf of the ocean. Roll your hands, one over the other, to the right, and then as you bring your hands together on the left, you can show the shore on the beach, the splash of the water, and the ripples on the sand. Now the waves of the sea, and then the trade winds way up overhead. And then we can show the palm tree. Make sure you have steady ground. Plant your tree right on it and let it move from side to side. Those are the palms. And for that, you can do a kavelu step. Make sure those hips go nice and easy. So together, let's do the whole thing. The moon and the house. Now the cliff or pali. Mountain. Do some sways with the mountain. And then the rain. Up. Go down to the surf, and on the beach, the waves of the sea. And the winds. Let's finish off with our palm tree, nice and easy. So those are some of the steps you might want to try today. Aloha! Hope to see you again. Bye!